a day trip today down to Margaret River, and first stop is Bunbury. We took a pause for La Pause coffee.
Coffee La Pause. Yep, and at the moment we're at our lookout, so have a round with us.
Dog hotel. I don't know if it's actually a hotel, but when I was a kid we used to always stay near there, and I always knew it as the dog hotel. So Bunbury's dog hotel.
And we're at our next stop. Next stop is Forrest Adventure. So we're going to play on some zip lines.
Some zip lines, some high ropes. We're gonna go have some fun.
Yay!
This is in halfway between Bunbury and Busselton, so.
Forest Adventure.
Yep.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
We've got our lunch because we came to Busselton Jetty. So we've got our lunch, our burger, and we're going... Huge burger.
Huge Korean chicken burger.
Nice. And then now we're going to Busselton Jetty. So let's have a look at it. Margaret River Chocolate Factory, and we start new thing as a 1,000 or million ways how to spend $50. So we will show you what we bought for $50.
This is Margaret River Chocolate Factory, and for $50 you can get not one, but two Dubai chocolate. I am so excited to try these because they have been all over Instagram. So We're gonna try the pistachio one just because this is the viral. I'm gonna try and do it super quick so that you guys can actually see it and not drop it. Just share one cube together.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right. Ooh, she's open. She's pretty. Oh, it broke 2 off. Oh my godable, look at that. Okay.
And
It's quite yum. It's so crunchy. I like it.
it is crunchy, very crunchy.
Okay, this is something
very
new. Give.
Yum, 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 yum. Try it, it's nice. It's worth it. Home. It's rainy, you can see it, and we're just going for some shops and go home.
Yeah, we were gonna go to the beach, but
Didn't happen. Yep. So see you next videos and hopefully you had fun.